Hi. I realize I'm in a really bad state right now. Here's straight back in the pajamas. But everybody was asking me to make more hiccup videos, and it kinda thought, hey, I've got the hiccups, and I thought, why not make a video? I don't really have much to say, apart from the fact that I'm ill because I've got a cough, which you'll probably hear throughout the video. I'm gonna drink Coke. Not that Coke, like drinkable Coke, no. Never mind, it doesn't matter. Oh. Okay, so oh, that was a big one. The first time in ages I'm having full fat Coke. I don't like having full fat Coke, but you know, what can you do, huh? I shouldn't actually be drinking this beside the laptop. Oh dear, it's brilliant. Wow, it's fizzing fast. Katie's off school as well with a throat infection, so we're both not doing too great at the moment. She, oh dear, they're really coming up. They were in the book. Like Posture and Cushbdale, and I got this years ago, and they signed it with my name. Got my name on it. I was so pleased. They were like, hey, what do you want us to write on it? And I was like, and I was like, no, it's Oops. I'm actually getting to drink a Coke. You know, I'm gonna try and get rid of the hiccups because they really hurt. I hate getting hiccups, but see if I can get rid of them. Excuse the fact that I'm in my pajamas, and I know they're very not efficient. Let's see how this goes, huh? Right, I think you can see. Okay. I'm about to attempt to get rid of the hiccups that are annoying me right now. And I don't know how this is gonna go. Don't know how I'm gonna manage it. We're just gonna have to see how this goes, huh? Right, let's see. I'm gonna pour this all over myself. Crap, crap, crap. Not working. Now let's see. Let's go straw. Oh my god, that's not easy. Oh dear. That worked. I'm completely free hiccups. Hang on, I'm gonna try that once more. I'm gonna take it before because the hiccups aren't gone. Oh dear, right. This time though, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the water in my mouth this time so I can take more. Okay, let's see. I'll go down. So you can see me drink it. Here I go. Swallowed it. It's gonna take a while. Where's that book gone? Where did my book go? That definitely worked. Okay, be uploading more stuff later.